Welcome back to Colbert Mini Projects. Today we are going to follow up on a project we did before where we put an erosion timber right here below some black dirt, and we've got the grass planted. We haven't done our first cutting yet, but the grass is in, it's doing well. I've got these stakes, I want to get these knocked out. I'm going to probably just scrape this with my bucket a little bit, and then we've got this load of gravel, which is 21 tons of stone. Is it 21 or 24? 24 tons of stone. So I'm going to get some of that spread through here. I want to get some of the debris from this past winter, some of the bark and wood chips and things like that from right here out of here. And then right around the barn, I want to put a little bit of gravel going out that way towards the chicken coop. So we'll get some of this spread tonight and see how far we get. The plan all along was to put these stakes in, and then we'll backfill with gravel, and that's what's going to hold this post. all wrapped up here. It took us about 2 hours, and we were able to scoop and spread that 24 tons of stone. We actually wrapped it around the barn so we can get back there a little bit easier for the bags of feed and things like that. But hey, thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit those notifications for more videos. Thank you.